Ladies and gentlemen,
welcome to Big 5 Panel and Paint.
Get ready for an exclusive behind-the-scenes episode of
Are there any additional services offered at Big 5 Panel and Paint, such as car rentals or towing?
Most definitely. We offer a range of distinguished services, which we'd like to call it. So 24-hour towing service with a 24-hour drop-off destination manned by armed guards and radio control security for the customer's peace of mind. So if you have wallets, firearms, jewelry, laptops, all of that is going to be absolutely safe if that vehicle is towed to a Big 5 towing yard. We have a fleet of courtesy vehicles to compensate the inconvenience of the client, and should the client be on our database and we get a late night call to have to tow an accident, we'd like to load on a courtesy vehicle onto the rollback tow truck, deliver it to the destination, offload the courtesy vehicle, hand over the keys to the client, load in your accident vehicle, and off we go.
And there you have it, folks. Thanks for tuning in.
Don't forget to follow us for gold.